I did some off-camera work to fix a bug in the Wallmaker. I'll just review that really quick, where it's simply a guard that if we click on that function um, to end the wall, to say, here's the list of points. If we don't have at least 2 points, we can't make a wall. And so what was happening is we emit this event with an insufficient number of points, leading to an issue trying to create the wall, and your space would just be corrupted. So this guard here fixes that. Secondly, we can clear. I did some refactoring to store not um, the point indicators, which were mesh clones themselves. Well, I store them separately, but I store wall points. And this setting the length to 0 when we want to reset clears the array without losing the reference, which allows us to draw some lines now. So I have these lines, which is using the mesh builder create line, which we'll do once we have, when we're listening to the clicks, and once we have more than at least 2 points, then we can, if there is a line, we can dispose it and we draw new points with line options, which describes the thickness of the line, but it also has a reference to this wall points. Now we never set this to a new array after its initial construction. That's why we use this trick to set the, when we want to reset, we set the length to 0, which keeps a reference to the same array, but clears its contents. And so the same options can be used over and over again. So what does that look like? I can demo this really quick. So we'll go to terminal. Okay, our scene is running already. Let's open up Chrome. Go to localhost. And here I already have some walls, but I can make some room to delete them. And we'll go to Wallmaker. And I changed the language here. So you point on the floor to create wall corners. 1, 2, 3. Notice how there's that line being drawn here. So that's a helpful hint of where your line will go, where your wall will go. And then you say build. That builds your wall. Alright, so that's some of the offline work about Wallmaker.